to another tutorial with Aaron. I would like to thank you for watching this video, and if this is the first time you're watching my video, we're going to be talking about 7th chords, and I have been doing a series of tutorials for beginners, and if you want to access them, they are all free on my website in the description box. If you click in the description box, you see the website. It has been arranged there. If you also watch YouTube on my playlist, there's a beginner crash course there. You see 36 videos of them. You can also watch from there and learn all the keys, the trials, the numbering, and then the fingering, the number system, solfa system. Everything is there. So after those videos, the next lesson was the 9th chords. Okay, so we've done all the 12 keys, and we're going to continue with it by adding the 7th note of the scale into our chords, and we'll see what it will produce. We will invert them in all the keys, and then we will progress as time goes on. So thank you again for watching. Keep on sharing, keep on subscribing, and the next thing, before we continue with this, I'm going to be putting my email address. Okay, so for those of you who have been following me for a while now, I've been getting messages like, I've really improved here and there, we thank you. I'm going to be showing you some of the messages as I speak. I want you to do a 1-minute video, whether you let someone hold the phone for you, and I'll be putting my contacts and then my email. Send it to me on WhatsApp or my email. I want to do a compilation of all those who have been following me. I'm going to post everything that you play and put it on the channel, just to inspire others to also take up the challenge and also learn. All right, so thank you for that. And then the next video, I'm going to be doing something that I've not done before, and that is to help other YouTubers like me to also grow. We mostly click on people who are known to be good, all right, but there are these African YouTubers who are teaching piano, drum. They are trying their best, all right. So I'm going to be putting out some of them here so that we can all go there and click subscribe, like them. When you subscribe to a channel, this is what it does. It gives YouTube the impression that the person is doing something good. So YouTube therefore will now advertise or promote his content to a wider range of people, and by so doing, you'll be helping the channel to also reach more people. So I'll be helping some of them. At least God has been faithful to me. I have 17,000 people, and I hope all of us will come together and help others, because by helping, I know someone to also help me out, and that is it. We help each other. So without much ado, let's get into the topic for today. All right, so we're going to be using key C as our reference point. So we have do, re, mi, fa, sol, la, ti, do, ti, la, so, fa, mi, re, do, or 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 1 7 6 5 4 3 2 1. All right, so this is the scale that we're going to be using. So we have 1 2 3 4 5 6 7. All right, so we know our triad to be like this. That's our triad. So when we add the 7th note, we get a C major 7th. All right, so the formula for the chord 1, this one we are playing chord 1. Okay, so it's 1 3 5 7. All right, so we know the second chord is a minor chord. All right, so 2 4 6, then we add the 1 to it. So the formula for playing the chord 2 is 2 4 6 1. if you were to use key D as a reference point, this one becomes this the major 7 of D. You flatten this one, it becomes minor. You flatten this one, it becomes minor. So you have it like this. Okay, so in the key, we are going to stay in context. In the key of C, it's going to be 2, 4, 6, 1. That's how to play your minor 7th chord in the key of D, which is also the same as chord 2. So we have 1, then this chord 3 is this is the triad, then you add the 2 to it, then this is chord 4, you add the 7 to it, oh sorry, so it's 4, 6, 1, 3. Then the 5, this is a 5, we add the 7 to it, we get a G7. Alright, then the 6, so it's a 5, 7, 2, 4. That's the formula for getting the chord 5. Then the chord 6 is this is the normal triad, we add the 5 to it in the key of C. So this is how it's going to sound. We have on the left you can play or you remove, and then you get a major 7. Then this is how you're going to get the chord 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Alright, for the 7 to be like this. Okay. So let's see how it will be like if you're playing like this for the triads. So let's check it out. It's going to be like this. All right. So this is how you practice it. So alright, or you on the left too you can play with the full chord, or you can do the exercise 4, 3, 2, 4, 3, 2, then 2 over the 5. Now, why am I playing 2 over the 5? Let me do a recap. All right, so if I'm going to be playing chord 1, chord 2, chord 3, chord 4, chord 5. All right, remember when we're doing chord substitution, the 5 has a component of 5, 7, and 2. That means you can play a 5 and a 2. So this is 5, then the 2. Sorry, this is a 5, then a 2 here. And in the same way, that means you can play a 2 and a 5. All right, so when you swap it, the 2 becomes the 5 here, then you play a 2. I hope you're getting it. So that's the reason we are able to play a 2 and a 5. It's chord substitution. I've done a series on that one too, so you can go through and then watch. God bless you for being a part of this tutorial.